Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial in Telegram bot. So basically what we're doing in this tutorial is setting our webhook. And this webhook, we're actually telling the bot to forward whatever is sent to it to a certain URL, which is going to be eventually our server, right? So we want to just scroll down in the API documentation, and I'll leave a link in the description for it. And here you go. We find how to make a request. So basically use this URL, https://api.telegram.org/ and then you just enter the word bot, and then you specify or you put the token that we generated in our first video, and then / and then the function that you want to call. So this is the structure of the request actually. So what we're gonna do is copy this part, right? And then we're gonna put it and then append it to our token. So this is the token of the bot that I created. And then we're gonna put a / and then whatever function that we are calling, right? So this is going to be our request that we're gonna make. Okay, so now we're gonna deal with the webhook. So we wanna go to the function that is called set webhook. So let's search for it. Set webhook. Alright, so here it is. So this is the function that we'll be calling. So actually let's go back to our link, and we want to just append set webhook at the end. So this is the function that we want. Okay, so now let's see the parameters that this function takes actually. So first of all, it takes the URL and it's a HTTPS URL actually. Okay, and that's it, right? So it actually takes, this is the required argument, which is the URL. So we are going to put a question mark at the end and then put URL, and then we're going to put an equal sign and then put our URL. So remember the subdomain that we created, that was BasselTech.ddns.net, and then we put our port. So actually we're using port 8443. So we're putting a colon and then 8443, right? So this is our webhook URL. So we're gonna copy this link right now, and then we're gonna just paste it here and press enter to set our webhook. So now webhook was set and everything is going on okay. So in the next tutorial we're gonna see how to set up our server in order to receive messages via our bot. So until then, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.